and welcome dear students. We are again here with the MCQ series of chapter life processes, and today we will be doing the autotrophic nutrition part. Alright, so let us begin the lesson of today. First question is, carbon and energy requirement of autotrophic organism are fulfilled by A is respiration, B is transpiration, C is photosynthesis, and D is translocation. What do you think is the correct option? The correct option is, it is photosynthesis, because autotrophs, that is plant, they obtain carbon and energy source, that is glucose, from the process of photosynthesis. Alright, now coming to the next, carbohydrates in autotroph are stored in the form of, what is carbohydrate stored in the form of? It is starch. Carbohydrate is stored in the form of starch. Nitrogen is an important source of what? That is protein. Nitrogen is an important source of protein. The fourth question, students, this is very interesting one. Alright, you just listen to this carefully. Nitrogen are taken by plant as, first statement is inorganic nitrates and nitrites. Second statement is organic compound with the help of nitrogen fixing bacteria. See, we studied in the question 3 that nitrogen is an important source of protein. That is why nitrogen becomes an important element for both plants and animal. But we can't make nitrogen by ourselves, isn't it? We are fully dependent on plant. But what can plant do? Plant have to take in nitrogen to make protein, right? So what they does is they take nitrogen in the form of inorganic nitrates and nitrites, or they can take nitrogen in the form of organic compound with the help of nitrogen fixing bacteria. Now, which is the correct statement? That is, both 1 and 2 are the correct statement. Now coming to next, which of these event does not occur during photosynthesis? You see, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Second is conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Third is reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. Fourth is oxidation of water into glucose. Which is the correct option, do you think, out here? That is the option D, because you see, first step for the photosynthesis is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Second is conversion of light energy into chemical energy. That light energy from the sun is converted into chemical energy, and that chemical energy is used for the reduction of CO2 into glucose. Alright, that is carbohydrate. Now what is reduction? The process of addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. In carbon dioxide, hydrogen molecule is added and it is converted into glucose, that is C6H12O6. Alright. Now coming to the question 6, that is statement 1, when water enter guard cell, stomata closes. Statement 2, excess water from plant is lost through stomata. Which one out of the two you think is the correct statement? Alright. See, I am explaining you and you can answer it again. Alright. When the guard cell is filled up with water, alright, at that time what happened? This is a guard cell. These two are the guard cell. When the guard cell are filled up with the water, then what happens? It will turn in this shape. That means what is happening? The pore is opening, right? And when the water is lost from the guard cell, the pore will close. It will be like this, because the cell will be sunken, isn't it? So let's see which one is correct now. When the water enters the guard cell, stomata closes. But we saw that when the water enters the guard cell, the stomata actually opens. It is opposite, right? Now second is excess water from plant is lost through stomata. Right, that is correct. Stomata is an opening from where the water is lost in the form of water vapor. That means the statement 2 is correct and statement 1 is false. Alright, and which option is correct from here? Statement 2 is correct and statement 1 is incorrect. That is option B. Now come to question 7 students. Dash is the chemical that absorbs CO2. Now in your book there is one experiment where we are using one chemical, alright, which is absorbing CO2 and we are not finding the starch in the leaf of the plant nearby which we placed that particular chemical. That is KOH, okay, KOH, that is potassium hydroxide. And the last question for your homework students, you can comment me that in the comment section if you know the answer. Starch react with iodine to give dash color. What is the answer for this? Just comment me on the comment section below. In the next video we will be coming with the heterotrophic nutrition. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned. Thank you.